Hi, welcome back to ALSC Europe. I'm Megan Kelly, Assistant Editor at Automotive Logistics, and I'm here with some lovely ladies on the red sofa. Welcome to Isa Kalinska, who's the Lead of Logistics and Distribution at JLR, Sonia Santors, who's VP of Worldwide Manufacturing at Bosch, and Sabine Isenbort, who is Manager of Inbound Logistics at Ford Europe. Thank you all for joining me here.
Thank you. Thank you.
So we just heard your brilliant panel and forum, and obviously you've all worked very hard to get to where you are in your careers. What's been the most helpful thing for you in your career journey so far?
So I can start potentially.
Yeah.
So I think the most helpful topics really during my career within the Ford Motor Company was that from the beginning onwards I had a mentor in place. So it's really somebody who gave me advice, who gave me the first network, the first integration within the environment of the Ford, involvement and environment at all. So that was really very helpful and really a good learning curve for me as well. And that could be advice to everybody, just look for a mentor directly from the beginning onwards.
Yeah, that's for sure true. And the family. Yeah, so I think professionally, exactly what you said, and the background of my family was really important for me. Yeah. Not only the grandparents, who are in Portugal, not in Germany where I work, but I'm talking especially for my husband. Yeah.
Yeah.
And I agree with both Sabine and Sonia. I think very important as well is to surround yourself with right people, with allies, both men and women, who can support your growth, and inspire you to be better.
Yeah, excellent. And what would be a piece of advice that you would give to women who are maybe not in as big of a company, like an OEM like JLR, that maybe don't have the same corporate support? I'll come to you and ask you.
Okay. I think conferences, seminars, utilize that to build your relationship, build your network. So one of it we are representing today. We've met fantastic women. I'm lucky to be a part of a great panel discussion, but at the same time you connect with female leaders, with male leaders who can inspire you, create this ally network who can support you in that growth. Also probably lean on to what's available in social media. There are fantastic women leaders on LinkedIn or any other social platform.
Yeah.
They have amazing content. Utilize that and connect with people who are like-minded and can support you in the growth.
Yeah, that's great advice.
Interesting, where we in the plenum where we're talking about mentoring, I was approached from a young lady asking if we can exactly do this kind of sharing out, not only inside our company, but having a cross company.
Yeah.
Exactly, this is one point.
Yeah.
It's different learning experiences as well.
Yes.
So by hearing all the stories and hearing what the culture is in a different environment, I think helps you to be more diverse and be a bit more creative to the culture you implement in your day work.
Yeah. Great.
It's really just to be open. So also if you're just working for a smaller company, for example, where you don't have all the opportunities as potentially you have in bigger ones. So just be open, have a look around. You have friends working potentially in big companies as well, so reach out to them. So what are their experience there?
And keep your values.
Yeah.
Yeah, excellent. Okay, and then I guess it might just be good to go around each of you and just ask, like, what would be your one piece of advice to a woman looking to join the automotive industry?
I think automotive industry is great. There are huge opportunities and it's changing. We're closing that gap in terms of a percentage between male and women. I think it's definitely a growing industry, and one piece of my advice would be true to yourself, follow your dreams and just be authentic, connect with people and grow professionally.
Yeah. Basically, you said everything. But that's good.
Maybe that's more than what
I have the same opinion. I think I would add only the values. Yeah? So if you have your values, you go for it. Yeah? In the driving seat, as you mentioned before, but looking at yourself and to your values, it's really important.
Yeah.
And I think it's also good to be part of the transformation. The automotive industry we have seen the last 40, 50 years, I would call it, is totally changing. Yeah. So there are new opportunities coming up, new digitalization advice, like a new startup company, because the automotive industry is not the old-fashioned industry anymore. It's really becoming more digital, more innovative, and we still want to go within the automotive area the next step. We still want to be first mover. We try to be first mover at all, and I think that's also something people and new colleagues should really be aware of. So we are also a little bit of startup mentality.
Brilliant.
Nice. And maybe one, especially for the ones who are now choosing which study should I take, it's a great opportunity to choose a technology area.
Yeah.
When young humans go now to the university.
Brilliant. Well, thank you all so much for joining us on the Red Sofa today. And if you want to find out some more, you can visit our website and follow us on LinkedIn as well. Thank you.
Thank you.